In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix CapCut network error on your PC. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your CapCut. So you can navigate to the Microsoft Store or you can launch CapCut, then head back. Now at the top right, you're going to find the pop-up update. You'll need to click on that option and go through the process for the update. Next, check internet connection. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to any of the website to check the net. If your speed are low, especially on mobile data, switch to stronger Wi-Fi network, restart CapCut, and see if the issue persists. Another highly effective fix is using VPN. Download a trusted VPN like NordVPN or Private VPN on your Mac or Windows PC. Create an account, log in, connect to it. After connecting, restart CapCut, and your CapCut should work. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.